let's explicitly call out some of the key themes that have come from control and protect our data. I think if you haven't heard it yet, I'm going to pound it in again. You got to be business first. There's got to be context. You got to know your processes. You got to know the decisions that are going to be made. You got to know what actions you're going to take. So really ground the way that you govern your data in how you're going to use your data and get value from it. If you're still having conversations around centralized versus decentralized, get over it. It's just, you have to scale. And while you may you aspire to one cloud or one warehouse instance, the reality is that strategically that may not make sense. One, because those environments have to manage different types of workloads. But the other reason is you want the ability to arbitrage between those environments as you continuously create and optimize your data products. So accepting that data is going to be distributed and planning and organizing your governance program to work within this distributed ecosystem is really going to make you a lot more proactive and ready versus being reactive and trying to keep up with the business and where they want to work with their data, which means you're governing by design. Both of those pieces are giving you the blueprints to understand how you're going to rationalize and contextualize all these policies that you know that you have to satisfy. And then lastly, fine, you deploy all of this, it's running great, but does it stay that way? We know the quality of the data degrades, 25% annually. We know that we are continuing to have an onslaught of data security breach challenges, and we know that we want to control our data in context of personalization to meet our business outcomes. And if you don't have BI on your data through data and governance, have that data intelligence, you're not going to be able to scale and monetize your data. So keep those 4 things really front and center as your primary principles. And that really gives you the pathway to ensure that not only are you applying a more modern and scalable approach to data governance, but your data governance is in alignment with what your overall data and business strategy is.